We are leaving Rotorua right now. It's really a good weather, so let's bring the blue skies to
Taupo!
See you there.
Morning!
We are at Waiotapu. It's just 30 minutes away from Rotorua. Initially, I thought I could drone, but
No. Maybe there are too many people who join it, then cause accident.
it's okay, we'll record by foot.
Hello.
Since where you got your cab?
Since the sun came out.
Oh wow!
Better keep a drone in your bag.
It's the 4th day and I still can't drone. Walk in the middle, go. There are 23 spots around Waiotapu, 3 different walkways. For the first walkway, which will take about 45 minutes, we will be passing by 12 spots. The highlight of this place would be the champagne pool. Where you get to see different shades of colors, brown, lighter brown, bluish, greenish.
Many brown.
So we are done with Waiotapu and we are on our way to Wairakei Terraces, which is about 30 to 40 minutes drive. Kane is sleeping as usual.
Hashtag what's new?
It costs $15 to enter the walkway, where you get to see the natural hot pool.
Oh, nice!
Jane and Kane decided to eat at a cafe. Since it's just the both of us, we should do some lovey-dovey cinematic scene. Let's go! 1, 2, 3.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long.
Take a look, the water is bursting out into the air. And it flows all the way down to a pool where people can just have a hot pool experience.
Time to set the drone in the Buddha. There's a bee up there.
Could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
First drone in New Zealand. Gotta find nicer places to drone. This is just trial number 1. Our third destination for today, Huka Falls. There's a no drone sign out there, but I've been contemplating just an overview aerial shot. What do you think?
The nice view will never come back to you because the thing will get sucked into the water.
Wow! Should I drone?
No.
Kane, should I drone or not?
It's up to you lah. Any consequences will bear with it.
Fourth day I get to drone already. Just gonna back it up and recharge it later at our Airbnb. We are finally at Taupo and the first order of the day is McDonald's.
Stretch mate. Toilet. Boys, please don't write it down. There's only one toilet.
How do you know this is the boys' toilet?
This is a toilet for everybody, so please do not make it that way.
Yes, madam.
This is the master room. And this is the other room.
Cheese, avocado, and more cheese, and burger and ham, and the chips. Sorry, I'm actually water boiling.
It's just the 4th day in New Zealand and they're eating Maggie already.
You lah.